Here's Garfield. Garfield is enjoying some nice visiting time here with this young lady. Whoop, the ball. I guess the ball went that way. Garfield's having a good time with his buddies here. He's an adoptable cat from the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire. Currently waiting for his forever home at PetSmart in Nashua over near Target. Come on, Garfield. Couldn't get the ball, Garfield? Whoa! My goodness, where did that ball go? You missed it, Garfield. Well, we got quite a soccer game going on here. Garfield, you are so sweet. Go get that ball. Where did you go, Garfield?
Just leaped up there.
Oh my goodness, that was quite a leap. You're a bundle of energy, aren't you, Garfield? Huh? Is you a bundle of it? Oh, you're so gorgeous. It's pretty hard to keep up with you, though. I think Garfield needs to have some children around with a lot of energy who will play. And maybe another cat. Bet you'd like that too, Garfield. So come on over to PetSmart. Meet Garfield. He'd enjoy a little game of soccer with you. Bye-bye.